As a homeowner in Austin, you understand the importance of making your home energy efficient, especially with the city's hot summers and unpredictable weather. One of the most impactful ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is through window installation. Installing energy-efficient windows not only helps to keep your home more comfortable year-round but also significantly reduces your energy bills. In this article, we'll explore the best energy-efficient window installation options for Austin homes and how they can benefit you in terms of savings, comfort, and sustainability. Double or triple pane windows. One of the most popular energy-efficient window options is double or triple pane windows. These windows have 2 or 3 layers of glass, with a layer of gas, such as argon or krypton, sealed between them. The gas helps to insulate your home by reducing heat transfer, making your home more energy efficient. Double pane windows are a great option for most homeowners in Austin. They are more affordable than triple pane windows while still providing substantial insulation against heat and cold. They can effectively block out heat during the summer and retain warmth during the colder months, reducing the need for air conditioning and heating. Triple pane windows offer superior insulation and are ideal for homes that experience extreme temperature fluctuations. Although they are more expensive than double pane options, the added layer of glass and gas makes them a top choice for those seeking the highest energy efficiency. By installing double or triple pane windows, you can enjoy improved thermal comfort and lower energy consumption. Low emissivity windows. Another option for energy-efficient window installation in Austin is low-E windows. Low emissivity windows have a special coating that reflects heat while allowing natural light to enter your home. This coating helps control the amount of heat entering and exiting your home, making them highly effective for both cooling and heating. Summer benefits. In Austin's hot summer months, low-E windows reflect much of the sun's heat, reducing the need for air conditioning. This helps keep your home cool without overworking your HVAC system, leading to energy savings. Winter benefits. In winter, low-E windows reflect the heat generated inside your home back into the room, keeping your space warmer for longer periods. This reduces the reliance on heating systems and lowers energy costs. Low-E windows are perfect for year-round comfort in Austin's climate, making them an excellent energy-efficient option for homeowners. ENERGY STAR certified windows. If you want to make sure your windows are top of the line in terms of energy efficiency, consider ENERGY STAR certified windows. The ENERGY STAR program is a government-backed label that signifies a product's superior energy efficiency. Savings potential. ENERGY STAR windows are designed to meet or exceed stringent energy performance standards, providing superior insulation and minimizing energy waste. By upgrading to ENERGY STAR certified windows, you could save up to 30% on your home's heating and cooling costs. Improved comfort. These windows reduce drafts, condensation, and the temperature variations near your windows, making your home more comfortable year-round. The superior insulation properties of ENERGY STAR windows also help to reduce noise pollution from outside, which is particularly beneficial for homeowners in busy areas of Austin. Installing Energy Star certified windows ensures that your home remains energy efficient while contributing to environmental sustainability. Vinyl and fiberglass frames. The material of your window frame also plays a significant role in the energy efficiency of your windows. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are excellent choices for homeowners looking for durable and energy-efficient options. Vinyl frames. Vinyl windows are low maintenance and offer excellent insulation. They have natural insulating properties that help prevent heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Additionally, vinyl frames are less prone to expansion and contraction than wood frames, which can help improve the window's overall efficiency over time. Fiberglass frames. Fiberglass frames are another high-performance option for energy-efficient windows. They are extremely durable and provide excellent insulation. Fiberglass is also resistant to warping and cracking, which means it won't lose its energy efficiency over time. These frames are ideal for homeowners who want long-lasting and low-maintenance windows. Both vinyl and fiberglass frames contribute to reducing your home's heating and cooling costs, making them perfect complements to energy-efficient glass options. Window installation and professional services. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't deliver their full potential without proper installation. The installation process must be done with precision to ensure that there are no gaps or air leaks that can undermine the efficiency of your windows. Sealing and insulation. Professional window installation ensures that the windows are properly sealed and insulated, preventing drafts and water leakage. When installed by experts, energy-efficient windows perform at their best, helping you maximize energy savings. Expert advice. Working with a professional window installer also means getting expert advice on which window options are best suited for your home's needs and your budget. Whether it's choosing the right frame material, glass type, or design, an experienced installer can help you make the right decision for long-term energy efficiency. Conclusion. Upgrading your home with energy-efficient window installation in Austin offers numerous benefits, from lower energy bills to improved comfort and enhanced home value. Whether you choose double or triple pane windows, low-E coatings, or Energy Star certified windows, you're making a smart investment in your home's future. Combine these window options with vinyl or fiberglass frames, and you'll create a highly energy-efficient home that performs well in Austin's climate. Remember, the right professional installation will ensure your new windows deliver their full potential, helping you achieve a more sustainable and cost-effective home.